Watch as this woman terrorizes this homeowner.
Can I help you?
Yes, what the hell you doing in my home? Get out, bitch!
Ma'am?
Get out! It's my home! You're not American! Get off of my property! You're not American! Get off my property! Did you have something to do with 9/11, Jacko?
Can you get out?
You're not American! Get off my property!
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You're not American.
You're not American! Get off your...
If you don't get out of my property, I will call the police.
Do it, bitch! You're not American! You're not American. How did you buy this property? You don't have enough money.
Why the fuck do you care?
Because it's my property. Get off, bitch.
What the fuck you gonna do about it?
I'll beat the fuck out of you and get away with it because I'm American and it's my property.
Okay, then give me your full name.
Go for it, bitch. Show me some illegal paperwork because I know you didn't buy this house. You don't have enough money. Get off my property. Is Mike and Leslie your real estate agent? Do it, bitch. American citizen angry at you assholes. There's no way you had enough money to buy this house. In your home. In your home, baby. I'll be right in. Do you know who lives here? You don't know their name? Okay, thanks. I'm sorry? I can't hear you. Oh, yeah, I'm looking for everything. Okay, have a nice Why are you trying to live on my property? Who's your guardian? How'd you get into America? Through Arizona or St. Louis University? American citizen, property owner. American citizen, property owner. It's my property. What are you doing on it? There's no way you had enough money to buy this house. There is no way you had enough money to buy this house. Shithead and not on this property. Shithead and not on this property. You can't afford this property. You don't have enough money to buy this property. You don't have enough American dollars to buy this property. And if you can get away with it, because I'm American, it's my property.
Okay, then give me your full name.
Go for it, bitch. Show me some illegal paperwork, because I know you didn't buy this house. You don't have enough money. Get off my property. Is Mike and Leslie your real estate agent? Do it, bitch. American citizen angry at you assholes.
Look at this genius. You don't see this every day.
Why would you do that? You fucking
The car had other places to be. What would you do in this situation?
Hey, when you throw it like that, half of the can's are unusable. Please don't do that. When you throw the box like that, half of the cans...
There's 2 boxes, like...
I've been getting chewy for 5 years, buddy. When you throw it like that, which I've got on film now, half of the cans are dented, and I can't use them.
That's heavy, like, so...
I understand
I'm not that
it's
far,
heavy.
so put it like this, so... It's heavy, it's really heavy.
I know.
Yeah,
Well, then don't do this for a living.
I know. But it's really heavy, it's just fell like this one.
Every time you guys do that. Every single time.
Me?
Whoever works for FedEx. UPS doesn't do it. The U.S. Postal Service doesn't do it, but FedEx does it every time.
FedEx?
Yes.
Are you sure, man?
Yes.
I'm not doing it like this.
You just did it.
What's this one really heavy, man? If you want to lift this one, you
I've
see.
been buying the same stuff for 5 years. I know it's heavy. But you can't just throw it because it's heavy.
I apologize, okay.
Okay, thank you.
This looks straight out of a movie. Imagine if this was your neighbor. I don't know if I should laugh or be terrified.
Oh my God!
Will you save your dog or yourself here?
One baby bear. Baby.
Baby, come! No!
Props to this guy for staying calm in this situation.
What you want, bro? What you want? What you want? What you want? What you want? Get down. What you want, baby? What you want? I ain't got no money on me. What you want? Yeah. Everything, bro. Everything.
I think we know what's about to happen next. Not sure what's going on here.
Answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
If we bring our own alcohol, can we come too? A neighbor? Oh. Ooh, I don't know. It's okay. Sorry, I thought there was a party here. House party. Love house parties.
No, that's upstairs.
Oh, that's upstairs? Thank you.
Okay, I don't think I can afford it.
I think this might be staged.
Hello?
Hi, I just seen that you moved in and I wanted to welcome you to the neighborhood and I had a piece of pie. I didn't know if you were home or not.
Yeah, my wife's not home right now, but I'm available.
Okay, perfect. That's fine.
I'll come let you in then.
Okay.
The squirrel was waiting for him.